These are some ways that you can be eco-friendly while you sew. Save your scraps. Instead of buying new stuffing, you can simply use the scraps you cut off from an old project. Patch up holes in garments instead of throwing your clothes away. If you don't think you can repair the holes, then you can make the clothes into a new item. Be more eco-friendly by sewing things that you can reuse. For instance, use a sewed shopping bag instead of a plastic one. As you can see, you can have fun crafting and be eco-friendly at the same time. Subscribe to Earthtopia for more eco-friendly tips.